Ministers of Lawngtlai, on behalf of the Deputy Commissioner's Office and as a Chairman, Chapchar Food Organizing Committee, as well as Food Park, I would like to express my sincere gratitude and greeting on the occasion of Chapchar Food celebration. Let's all make Chapchar Food an occasion where we not only represent and display our culture, traditions, but also an occasion to revive this old age tradition of altruism, which translates to Ma-Ngheta, an act of selflessness for the service towards the poor and the needy, the beautiful practice of respecting the elders in the society, and the devotions towards our brothers of different tribes. Let this be the qualities with which those are identified with wherever we may be. I have come to learn that Chapchar Food literally means a festival held during the period when the bamboos and the trees that have been cut down are being awaited to dry, to be burnt for June. During this brief layoff period of June, the Mizo ancestors would have all the time for themselves. But in today's environment, let us also take this time to put an extra to make Lawngtlai district forest fire free as the seasons are getting dry day by day. The term Mizo is a very powerful term, encompassing all the different tribes falling under Zonla, erasing boundaries and differences, which are hard to find in any other tribes settled in our country. The feeling of oneness created by this term among the various Mizo tribes is the advantage we have to be more progressive in walks of life for better development. So I urge all the gatherings today to make use of these advantages in maintaining peace and harmony, the unity at heart for a better and a brighter Lawngtlai district. Mizos, as a collective tribes, have come a long way to establish itself as a full-fledged state. As the saying goes, Rome isn't built in a day. I believe the term Mizo is forged through many battles, many seasons and generations. I have come across the stories of great and able chiefs, to name a few, Ban Puliana and women leaders, Rupi Liani, who have laid the foundation for the recognition of Mizo as a brave and strong community. In the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, Rupi Liani biopic was displayed among the unsung heroes of India's freedom struggle, which read, Lallu Rupi Liani symbolized bravery and selflessness during the Indian freedom struggle. She refused to recognize British colonial rule because she did not believe that British colonialists were superior. And as a result, she was imprisoned by the imperialists in 1893. She was initially detained in Lawngtlai but was later transferred to jail in Ranmati in undivided India. Not just Rukmini, I have also come across the statue of Banappa in the heart of Aizwa, who was a great warrior and a leader, a personality depicting chivalry and service to the nation, which is hard to find in other societies. As such, I am happy to learn that many of the NGOs which rose from their state based their motto on the moral of Ma-Ngheta, and I am thankful to that. I came across a quote which reads, be like a tree, stay grounded, connect with your roots, turn over a new leaf, then before you break, enjoy your unique natural beauty, keep growing. So I feel that these few lines highlights how important it is to remember and be connected to our tradition and culture. No matter how big a tree may grow, if its root is separated from it, then it gradually dries up and dies. So friends, be proud of our Mizo culture and tradition, our dress and dances. These are the things which makes us unique and different. These are the things which makes us Mizo. So take pride in it. As I am proud to be a part of Mizo community. Let us continue to have the courage and bravery in our heart, which once upon a time our ancestor earned the name 500 spur to save the women and children and their villages from their enemies. But today our enemies are drugs, alcohol, corruption, misuse of social media, and so on. Let's take a pledge on this auspicious occasion of Chapchar that we will use our best armor to defeat our enemies. That is education. Nelson Mandela famously said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education will give you knowledge, which will provide individuals with the tools to understand the world, solve problems, empower themselves, overcome challenges, and experience personal growth. Let's all join hands and come for a better tomorrow. Hello, me. Thank you.